how to fix GTA 5 entry point error easy and quick. If you want to solve this problem, all you need to do just right click on GTA 5, go to properties, after that go to compatibility, then just enable those two options, display full screen disable full screen optimization, and then click run this program as administrator and click OK. And after that, all you need to do just restart your PC and try again. And if that doesn't fix it, let's move to the next method. Go to Windows Security, click Virus Trade, and then manage settings, scroll down until you find exclusions. Now click add or remove exclusions and then yes, and now click add and file. Now all you need to do just need to find GTA 5 application location, just and then click on it and click open. Now just go back and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.